Okay guys, so my first hairstyle is Dutch braids. So first I have part sectioned hair in two. Now I'm taking a thin strand from the front and we are going to start braiding, but instead of going on the top, we are going to be taking the strand underneath. Now we're going to be taking strands from the sides.
We'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Here you gotta make sure you take equal strands from both sides.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
When you're reaching the end, make sure you put the head down so that you don't create a bump in your braid. Using a hairspray, seal all the flyaways.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't.
The next hairstyle is space buns. This hairstyle is super cute for girls. So first you're gonna wrap around all the hairs.
The storms we chase are leading us.
Then twist and turn into a bun.
Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's
Now secure the bun with bobby pins. Now you're going to be pulling hairs through the bun so you make it a little more fluffier.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Now taking some hairspray, you're going to knead all the hairs and take up all the flyaways.
And on we'll go.
Okay, so the next hairstyle is waterfall braid. This hairstyle is a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you're gonna do it. So starting off is just like a French braid, but the thing you need to do is leave one strand away from your braid and then
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
you're going to be taking a strand from the side and putting it in the place of the strand you just pulled away.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, again, you're going to be taking it just as a French braid. You just need to do is take the third strand and put it away, and then in the place of the third strand, you're going to be taking a strand from the side and putting it in place of the strand you just pulled away. Continuing the braid all the way through and then secure with the bobby pin. You can do it on both of the sides of the head. It looks super cute and it's very unique, very chic, yet very beautiful hairstyle.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Okay, so the next hairstyle is half French braid with ponytail. So you're going to be taking a strand from between of the head and then you're just going to start off as a French braid. We're just going to be taking it from the mid of the head. So I'm taking hairs from both of the sides but from the mid of the head. Going all the way through until you reach the mid of the head, and then you're going to continue the braid till the end. You can keep your hair just like this with half French braid and open hairs, but if you want a ponytail, keep on watching.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now for the ponytail, you're going to take hairs from both the sides. Make sure your hairs are sleek, straight. If your hairs aren't, you can fix them with the hairspray, don't worry.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Taking a hairspray right here and fixing all the flyaways.
We'll go.
In this hairstyle, make sure your hairs are sleek, straight.